In Shiva Yoga, they say it is taught to every one of us that there is a process of evolution. Like I mentioned last time also, the butterfly. The first is the egg, then is the larva, pupa, caterpillar, and then is the butterfly. Other beings, they have to go through the process of transformation or evolution according to their birth. But a human being is the only being who has the power of choice. You have the power to choose whatever you want to choose. And when we have the power to choose, we become intelligent. Now there is two words is there. One is the wisdom and one is the intelligent. Now when is the intelligent? In Punjab, there is my mother used to speak Punjabi, and I have always heard her saying, "Siana kaan goon te digda." There's an intelligent crow will always fall on I will not use that word, on a muck. It's always fall on that. So, what is more important is the inner wisdom which must prevail. And when the intelligence is there, we go in illusion. We become intelligent, we become knowledgeable, but the transformation does not occur. An intelligent man, there is a saying that human being is different than the animals. Now, what is the difference? An animal is born, animal eats, animal produces children, and animal dies. An intelligent human being is born, he eats intelligently, he marries or divorces intelligently, he produces children intelligently, and then he dies ignorantly. I will not say the death is intelligent death, it's a helpless death. So there is a similarity, there is no difference between animal and human being. Rather, human being, this animal is better. Animal is not messing up with this life, but intelligent human is messing up with the life. There has to be difference between animal and the human being. And that is what we have long forgotten. And every time, in every era, some saint will come in your life who will remind you, who will tell you that you have something else to do. You are superior than every animal. You are the most superior being. You are even superior than the demigods. देवताओं से भी तुम ज़्यादा उत्तम हो. तो वो क्या उत्तमता है तुम्हारे भीतर? What is that? ये शिव योग में जो हम आके बैठे हैं, ये उसी चीज को जानने के लिए ही हम लोग हैं. जैसे बटरफ्लाई है, वो अंडा पैदा होता है और उसके बाद उसका उसी तरीके से मनुष्य को भी, जो पहले द एंशिएंट विजडम सेज, जो मनुष्य पैदा होता है उसको हम अंडा ही बोलते हैं. उसको हम अविकन करना है, उसको जगाना है, तो उसके लिए संस्कार होते थे पहले समय में. There used to be the process of sanskaras, Yagyopavit, Upadesha, then going to the ashrams away from the society where he can transform himself. Now that does not exist today. The child is born, is made intelligent and super intelligent and genius, that's all. But every genius is frustrated or going into depression or falling sick or whatever is that. So what is the difference? The human being also has to undergo the process of transformation. This egg, like the butterfly, has to become the butterfly and fly in the sky and experience different flowers, different environment. Where the butterfly egg cannot remain egg, gets transformed into butterfly. Similarly, the human being, when he is born, has to undergo the stages of transformation.